Hello everybody. Well, I think I'm gonna start calling you guys mis pollitos, because when I was little my mom would call me pollito, which means chick in Spanish, and so I'm just gonna call everybody my little chicks mis pollitos. So hola mis pollitos. It's Bianca Fuertes here. I just did this eye look using the Blue Blood palette. If you want to see how I did this eye look, then keep on watching and make sure to like and subscribe. This is the first time I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this channel, so I hope you guys like it. Alright, here's my bare face, so up close and personal. So today I'm going to use the Blue Blood palette. Try saying that 10 times fast, it's freaking hard. Here it is. First things first, we're going to prime our eyelids. A primer that I got from Ipsy Glam Bag. And I know my brows are whack. I have to get them threaded. So, no judgment. And I'm gonna put NYX finishing powder on top to set that primer in place. I think we're gonna do like a blue smoky eye look. Very not difficult, very simple. Let's go with Celebrity Skin in the crease area. A flat shader brush, taking Ocean Ice. It's a very dark color. We'll see how this goes. Alright, now that that's in our outer area of our eye, go with Blue Blood and put that in the middle. Oh, that was very pigmented. Ooh, wowzers. This is pretty. Cute. I'm gonna small blending and blend it together. Add a little bit more of that Ocean Ice to blend it, the Blue Blood and the Ocean Ice together. Alright, the last color going into the inner corner is I'm Cold. And I can relate because I'm always cold. Like, I have 1,000 blankets, I swear. Let's add a little bit more Blue Blood in the middle. I kind of felt like it got lost in there. Let's get that blending brush and just blend it a little bit on top. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of I'm Cold. It's like not enough. Just keep packing the color you need to keep it vibrant. There's a ton of fallout, so I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna put, look at that. And black eyeliner, some lashes. I'm gonna put my foundation on. This is why I do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation, because of fallout. And that's normal, especially with these very pigmented colors to have fallout. Oh, and then one more thing I'm going to do is add some Welty onto my brow bone. Now, finish the rest with the camera off. So here's the finished look. I put some of the mint tea underneath my eye, and I just did my foundation, highlight, bronzer, blush, And I put my lashes on, and then I put the Kylie Jenner Velvet Lipstick color in Birthday Suit on my lips. Smoky blue that you can do with the blue blood palette, or basically any colors that have a lot of blue. But here she is, so pretty. So pretty.